what we're going to do today is review the replacement of the brake for the Pacific actuator. And the reason that we would replace this is because the tub would drift down or would not stay up. To do this, you would order this part number 390-11221, and with that you would get these parts. This is a ball driver, and then you get the actual brake. You will not use this generally, it just comes with the kit. And then this is the little cylinder inside that's slotted. And we're going to start showing you the front view of the system. And what we're going to do is first raise the tub just about this high up, as high as it'll go. And he's going to raise it now. And after we get it to a certain height, these boards we're going to brace up, and I'll show you in the back how we do that. He's going to raise it now, and it is raised. Now he's going to lower it onto those boards. Those boards you can cut any place. They're 16 inches long. Make sure they're in place good, and then you shut the power off. And you'll probably have to, it's best if you have the back cover off and this front panel off. And what we're going to do is take the ball driver, and we're going to take 3 screws out that attach the motor to it. And don't lose the screws, of course. Now with those screws out, you'll be able to remove the motor out of there. What that is, inside the back there, you will see the brake. I'm going to grab that brake. And it looks like this in there, and he's going to take a needle nose now and take out that old brake.
I can't see what I'm doing now.
And when you take the brake out, it looks just like that, and it goes back in just like that, with that top surface up. Now before we put it in, we want you to check inside of this for any signs of grease. If there's grease in there, then we have an actuator problem. And so he's going to put that in there now. If you can see, it just slides in there. There's a motor shaft in there. And I'll try to get a good picture of that shaft. Inside there now you can see the end of the shaft, and it's slotted, and you have it orientated right. Now he's going to put this part on, and let me see the slot on it first, Pat. First you have to make sure that groove goes into the groove in the motor. It has to be indexed correctly. Losing me here. Okay. Now the motor is also slotted, and that has to be orientated in there just right also. And then you can either have somebody hold it for you. You put those screws back in the front, and then the cord has to be down in the down position, as you can see right here. The cord going into the blower, that goes down so that water can't get in there or settle in the motor. Now we're going to go around the front. You can put the 3 screws in it.